how to change the background color of text in Figma. So let's jump right in. First, select the text layer. So, before jumping in, right into the text, I want to suggest you first you better make a frame. So let's go to the frame section at the bottom and let's create a frame first in order to just lay out the baseline. So this is the frame, and all you have to do is either hit the T in your keyboard or simply go to this T section that is text and tap into inside the frame that we just created, and you can write anything you like. Just let's say I want to write subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Please, I'm just not writing this. Make sure you subscribe. You can also adjust with where you want to place it, adjust the sizing. Simply drag and put it over. Once satisfied, you can adjust the settings like the sizing and stuff like that. All right, I think this is okay. And let's say you wanna now change the background, right? Simply tap into the frame, not the text, just the frame. And now at the right, you can see the property panel. Go to the fill section, tap into any color of your choice. I'm gonna make it more like purple. Okay, this is much better. You can also I think I wanna make it more larger. Forward. Okay, this is it. So this is basically how you do it, and you successfully change the background color of your text in Figma. You can basically change the sizing, adjust the colors, opacity and stuff like that. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more quick design tips. See you next time and happy designing.